Hey, it's Rue. In this video, we are making the Aperol Spritz. Are you guys ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients: Aperol, Prosecco, Club Soda, and an orange. 4 items. It's still time. Let's go grab them. Ice, a wine glass, a jigger, a bar spoon, and a knife. First step, grab your wine glass and add ice. Now, grab a bottle of Prosecco and open it. Pour 3 ounces of Prosecco into the glass. If you don't want to use a jigger to pour, you can just free pour all the way till maybe half a wine glass. That'll give you 3 ounces. Next is Aperol time. Open the bottle. We'll be pouring 2 ounces of Aperol into the glass. The last liquid that we're going to add is Club Soda. Open the can. Pour half an ounce of soda into the glass. Cut a slice of orange. Set the slice aside. Grab your bar spoon and stir the drink. And the last step is to add garnish. And there you go, my friends. Aperol Spritz. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.